This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to inject L-Carnitine. First, ensure you have all your sterile supplies ready, including the L-Carnitine solution, a new syringe, and alcohol wipes. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain hygiene. Next, choose a suitable injection site. Common areas include the deltoid muscle in your arm or the gluteal muscle. Proper preparation is key for a safe and effective injection process. After preparing your site, cleanse the area thoroughly with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry completely to prevent infection. Carefully draw the precise dose of L-Carnitine into your syringe, ensuring there are no air bubbles present. Hold the syringe like a dart and swiftly insert the needle at a 90-degree angle into the muscle. Slowly and steadily depress the plunger to administer the solution. Once complete, withdraw the needle smoothly. Once the injection is complete, apply gentle pressure to the site with a clean cotton ball for a few moments, but avoid rubbing the area. It's crucial to immediately dispose of the used needle and syringe in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks. Always monitor the injection area closely for any signs of redness, swelling, unusual pain, or other adverse reactions in the hours following. L-Carnitine is known to play a vital role in supporting fat metabolism and enhancing energy production within your body's cells. Many individuals who use L-Carnitine report experiencing improved exercise performance, increased endurance, and a noticeable reduction in muscle fatigue after workouts. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.